Hi guys, I'm Bharat and today I'm going to show you how to have different layouts for your CMS detail page in Framer. So a lot of people have this doubt. So a lot of people get a free template or get a paid template from the Framer marketplace, which are very cool. The CMS pages look very clean, and so they just think like they can go into it and start working on it. And the main point where they struck is will be in the CMS detail page where they need some kind of customization. So they'll be like maybe an amount of images or the layouts or elements they need on each project may differ. So they got stuck on that and they'll try to edit it, and they'll end up creating multiple pages for each project or each CMS item instead of keeping everything dynamic. So today I'm going to jump into a few issues that we can do in the CMS detail page, and we'll try to keep it everything dynamic so we don't need to have separate pages for each CMS item. So first let's jump into this template. So I got this free template called Pure Visuals. It's a free template, you can get into it. So it's a very good template, and we see it has a very clean animated pages, very smooth animations and stuff. But our goal is the CMS. Let's go to works. So this is a CMS page, CMS list page. So if you enter a CMS, this is a CMS detail page. So what happens is you will see images, so grids of images. So if you go into that page, you'll see there is a grid of images, and this is a very good template actually, because they have set this condition, like the visibility condition for all the image items they have on the CMS page. So how that works, so let's go to the first one and see they have 1, 2, 3, 4 images, right? So if I go into the CMS of this Liquid Fusion, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's say I don't need you don't need the fourth image, you just have 3 images on this project. So you remove the or let's say the third one. Let's just remove the third one. You remove the third one, okay? Now if you go back, and if you see here, you just have four, just have the three. We have 1, 2, and 4. You don't have the third one. But on this second item, you still have the third one. How that works is that image item or an image, it may be a frame or a component. Here they're using a component, yeah. So it has a visibility condition. So that condition is set as, if image 3 is there, show this. If it's not there, don't show this. So on Liquid Fusion, we don't have image 3, so it won't show it, and it automatically adapts to the layout automatically adapts to that and adjusts the other frames, and it doesn't look empty, or you don't have to worry about that. So this template is really good that they have this already set for you. So let's say you have let's get more into it. Let's say you have 6 images. So always keep a maximum amount of images you're gonna need. Let's say you're gonna need 6 images. So I don't know much. So let's duplicate it, 5 and 6. Okay, we have 6 images. So I'm gonna add images here. Images. So let's say 6. So the first one is gonna have 6 images. So you do, and the second one is gonna have just 5, and the third one it's gonna have just 3. Okay, so now let's go here. So here we have until 4. I'm gonna add more. Let's say 2. So this is gonna be this condition set to 5. If 5 is set, we need this, and the image is gonna be 5. this, add a condition. 6 is set, show this, and the image is gonna be 6. Okay, we have 5 and 6. Okay, so we have 5 and 6 set up. That's it. So now you don't have to worry about other thing. So if I there is first one has 6 amount to 3 4 5 6, everyone is there. Second one just had 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and the third one just had 3, 1 2 3. So this automatically, the visibility condition automatically adapts if there is an item is empty, so it won't appear, and that gives you the dynamic editing feature on a detail page, so you can work along with it. So this is one thing that if you're working on images, this is one thing you can do, and you can also work more into it. So let's say let's go to this template. I have got this other template. It's called a cold portfolio. So it's just it's a famous template, I believe. So you have this. They have the visibility condition. If you see, they already set all those. Everything is cool. So let's say I have this project that has a video in it. So I'm gonna need a video element in it, but I have 2 projects with video. I have 2 projects with no video. So how am I gonna do it? So let's insert a video. I'm gonna use YouTube, so it's default, and maybe let's keep it like this. Let's keep it like this, and I'm just gonna copy this. Okay, so you have a video, and okay, now on the CMS, let's add a video link field. It can be a text, and because link it doesn't work that way. Trust me, video link. Okay, so now the first one's gonna have the link, third one's gonna have the link, fifth one's gonna have the link. So you have 1, 3, and 5 with the YouTube link. Now go here, and what you can do is set the video link. So now that video link is connected to your CMS. So what happens to the second one? It's still there, because as there is no video link, it's gonna appear with an empty screen like this. What can you do is go to the visibility condition of this video component and go to YouTube link is set. So now what happens is, as the second one don't have any YouTube link, it won't appear. As the first one has it, it will appear. Second, it won't. Third, it is. Fourth, it won't. Fifth, it is. So that's how this works. So it not only for videos, you could also work around with any other components, like you can go with the music files, Lottie files, or you can even go with the there's something. Yeah, you can go with, if you have an embed form. Let's say you have an embed and you want it, you have a few things with embed and you don't have a few things without embed. So let's if you click the URL as this, and you should set that to like this. So if it's then, if the embed is there, it will. The embed is not there, it won't appear. So that's how this works. So the visibility condition is the key to work around with it, and you can play as much as with it. Visibility. So the visibility condition is the main key to customize your layouts in the CMS detail page. So you have the flexibility to alter different layouts for different projects, and but still keep it dynamic. And let's final thing, it's gonna be I'm gonna do something. So I'm gonna create so let's say okay, these are some methods. We have seen how to add multiple images, and we have seen multiple components for different projects. So let's say I need a different layout. So let's say let's take this and let's remove. I'm gonna create a component. Okay, So let's one, great. Remove this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is a component which has 2 columns and 2 rows. So I'm gonna make it as a component. Okay. Okay, remove the visibility conditions here. Image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4. Okay. Let's take it 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have this. This is a layout. So let's say I need another layout which should have 3 columns and 1 row, and I need another layout where I say I need 1 column and 4 rows. So now we have 3 different layouts for this one component. Let's say there are 4 images, we have created variables for it. So what happened is, now let's say for the first one I need this layout, and for the second one I need the second layout, which is gonna be this. How can I do that? Because if I change it here, it's gonna change for everything, so everything is gonna be the same. How can I do it is, we have to set a condition on the variant. So it can be anything. So you can let's say let's try 2 different methods. One is order even method. So let's go here, let's go to the variant, set variable, and you have a count. You have a count field in this CMS, which is like a number where you can add a count. It's just like they just added a count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what can you do is go to variant and say like let's say I need the variant 1 for all the odd numbers and variant 2 for all the even numbers. So let's say is odd, then convert, when yes, convert to 1. When it's not odd, that means it's even, convert to 2. So Vanguard is the 1, it's 1. Apex, it's 2, even, so it changes to 2. So that's how that works. So it's a very cool feature that you can use to customize multiple layouts if it's a component. So let's say I have a third one, which is a different layout like this. So how can I do that? So you can also add a condition. So let's say let's add another one. Okay, let's try this differently. For this, what can I do? Let's say when the count equals 3, then convert, when the count equals 3, then convert this variant to third variant. When no, set it to 1. How it will work? Let's say when the count is 3, which means the third one, it's 3, it's gonna convert that variant into 3. Say when the count is 4, I want to change it. When the count is 2, I want to change this variant to 2. What happens? Let's go to 2. It'll change it to variant 2. The other ones is gonna be, when no, it's gonna be the variant 1, which is the 4th layer. So that's how that works. And even you can set it like you can, let's say you just have 4 items and you have 4 different layouts. Let's say it's like you have 4 different layouts. Okay, you can do that too. Let's see how that works. Then the count, okay, now when the count is a number or as a plain text, when the count is 1, set to 1. When the count is 2, set to 2. When the count is 3, set to 3. And when the count is 4, you can set to 4. Now what happens is, the count is we'll take the count as a plain number. That is when we have 4 different variants for first 4 numbers. When it's 1, it's gonna be in the variant 1. When it's 2, it's gonna be in variant 2. When it's 3, it's gonna be in the variant 3. When it's 4, it's gonna be in the variant 4. So this is another way of customizing the layout using component and its variants. So this is for this you definitely need it will be much easier if you use a count or a text or anything. So you have this flexibility. You can also use other things rather than count. Let's say here we have an year. Let's say 2025, 22, 24, 23, 22. Okay, let's go there and try with that. Let's go here. When the year ends with, or when the year contains 25. Okay, when the year contains 25, if it's 2025 or it's 2025, give it that. When yes, convert to variant 4 or convert to variant 4. When no, convert to keep it to variant 1. So which year has 25? Vanguard has 25. So if we go to Vanguard, what should it do? Let's see. It should convert to variant 4, right? That's how we set it. Let's go to Vanguard. It converts to variant 4. So that's how this variant transform works, and how you can dynamically make a CMS page with as a multiple layout page for each project without having to do it manually each time you are creating a project. So I believe I covered most cases here, and if you have any other doubts or any other things that you might want to explore, or that you need help with in the CMS, you can always contact me in the email or book a call with me, or or just shoot a comment. I'll try to post a video if you want in details. If it's a very big topic, I can try to post a video. Even if it's a 5 or 10 minutes video, I'm happy to do that. Thank you.